Are you stuck with how to get started on YouTube over 40? Well, do you know what? It's a question I'm getting asked so much. I've got discovery calls coming in out of my ears, and the biggest challenge is I'm stuck on how to get started over 40. Do you know what? I have the answers for you. You're going to get started today, and it's all on this post-it note. Let's turn it around the right way. Literally, the answers are here, and I'm going to share them with you. We're going to work it out, and then you're going to go and get started, because it's paining me to read that we don't know how to get started. And I'm just like, people are overthinking it. Imposter syndrome is setting. It's crippling you, and it's saddening me. And that's why I've launched all of my discovery calls. So before we get into that, I want to welcome you back to the Vlogtober challenge. This is literally shooting from the hip. It's not one of my planned videos. It's just that I'm seeing all the discovery calls come in, and it's like, how to start. Stephen, I'm stuck. I'm over 50. I'm over 60. Stephen, I'm 39. It's my 40th birthday in a few weeks, and I want to start now. Well, I'm going to give you the exact steps. And then actually, you've got no excuse. If you're then stuck, there's something on a deeper level. And I encourage you, come and book a discovery call with me. It's not a sales call. I'll get you past that sticking point so you can start on YouTube today, and you can start to build your personal brand, leverage that personal brand against a business idea, which I'll share with you in another video. Cheeky one, I know. And then the world's your oyster. I am living proof of this right now. I decided to move away from my agency and really lean into my coaching business, and I'm doing it through YouTube. And you know what? I'm loving the experience. And right now, the Vlogtober challenge is on. It's about evergreen videos, tips, strategies, hacks, whatever you want to call them, so you can up level your videos. I hope you're enjoying it. There'll be a link around this video so that you can go and check out the whole playlist for Vlogtober. But it's evergreen, it's timeless. They'll always help you up level your videos. So let's get started with this post-it note, and the answers, literally the answers are on here to you starting your YouTube channel and building a life on your terms, your dreams for your family. So number one is, how do I start on YouTube over 40? And the first thing is, people are worried about the aesthetics and what it looks like and the channel name. Well, you don't need to worry about any of that, because if you're on here and you're creating video content, your beautiful smiling face is your logo, okay? Your name is your channel name. Stephen Thompson is my channel name. It's not sexy, but when people are looking for me, when you type my name into Google, guess what? Stephen Thompson pops up. And then you've got social media platforms and my YouTube channel and my blog and my website and all of that great stuff. My videos are popping up because they're under my name. People are remembering my name rather than remembering some fancy brand thing. And if I put my profile picture, my face in everything, it will stand out and people will recognize you. Quick story. When I launched my agency, Big Daddy, slightly embarrassing, we put my face as the brand, if you will, all over our local football stadium. Now, we're Premier League. Norwich City were Premier League at the time. So all of the TVs in the concourse, my face was there with our promotion. In magazines and everything. And I would walk across the city and people would say, oh, look, it's Big Daddy, because that's my agency's name, Big Daddy Digital. And people would recall me Big Daddy. Big Daddy has a persona, if you will. It has a name, Big Daddy, like the wrestler back in the day. If any of you remember that, let me know if you do. Hit me up in the comments. But what I'm saying here is, names and faces are remembered. Why? Because they've been around for the test of time. So don't let a channel name or a logo put you off, or fancy brand colors. Use something that resonates with you. I wear a lot of black, so a lot of my stuff is quite dark. I love the oranges. I love purples. I have those things in my brand colors. So find things that resonate with you. If you want to investigate them, please do. Contrasting colors work well, but use your beautiful smiling face as your logo and your own name as your channel name. That is step one. Right, what else we got on here? Right, ideas. Ideas, we get stuck for video ideas. Well, do you know what? They're the most important thing that really make a good quality YouTube video. But you are overthinking it. Let me explain why. You will have skills, knowledge, wisdom, expertise, and people come to you for those things. Answer those questions. They are your ideas for your videos. Why are you thinking about what everyone else is doing? You're building a business around you, your knowledge, your skills, your expertise. So here it is. Get a spreadsheet or a pen and paper and just write down a list of all the frequently asked questions people come to you for. Because you know what? They're searching them in Google as well. They're searching them in YouTube as well. And I say, when you want to get started, just write a list of frequently asked questions. My coach, Sonny Lenarduzzi, talks about the mastered this list. Write all the things you've mastered down in column 1. I then go straight over to column 3. We leave a gap. I'll explain why in a minute. And column 3, we write down the solution that you gave the person. Okay? The solution you gave the person, the outcome, the transformation. So you have the question, you have the outcome. How do we bring that together? What's the story? In the middle, you write down all the stories, maybe a 1 or 2 liner of the stories. I've already told you about logos and faces and the Norwich City promotion and people seeing me across the city. I used a story to tell you that. You will remember stories over just information. And that's why we tell stories. So frequently asked questions. What are the outcomes? What's the story in the middle? Go and create your video. I guarantee you'll easily find 25 to 50. Well, if you make 1 video a week, that is 6 months to 12 months worth of content. No excuses. If there are any excuses, they're in here. So that was step number 2. Let's put this post-it note up again. Right. Number 3, the reason you're not making the video is because of an internal factor. And do you know what? I get it. I understand it. Imposter syndrome. What are people going to think about us? Getting in your own head. Am I good enough? Who wants to listen to me? If these are resonating, hit me up in the comments. Smash that like button, because I know they are. Because they were my problems when I started. My name is Stephen Thompson, and I am a 47-year-old solopreneur. Why have I just said that? I've just said that because I have walked this life for 10, 11 years now, and I know all the problems I have faced. They're the ones you're facing now. I'm 47. Are you in your 40s? That will help us connect. Okay. Are you wanting to start your own online business or create a YouTube channel? I'm doing it. I've done it. I've walked in the talk. I'm walking in your shoes. That's why I'm sharing all of this information. And how did I get from being not making a video, being completely paralyzed, to camera confident? Because this is just one take. I've just pressed the button, wrote something on my notepad here, and or post-it note, I should say, and I've just said, you know what? I'm passionate about this video. I need to make it, and I'm making it. I went through a process called courage before confidence. You need to have the courage to press record, practice in private before you can go out there on YouTube. I get it. I understand it. Or before you go anywhere. And I've taught thousands and thousands of people to do this. My Facebook group's got over 1,100 people in it. They've all been through the 30-day daily diary process. Hundreds and hundreds of customers have gone through the 30-day daily diary process and the courage before confidence training. I'm going to link it up around here. Blatant sales pitch right now, because you need it. If you're not making a video, and I've just solved the ideas problem and the brand problem for you, then it's you getting in your own way. You need that help. You need that support. Right now, as I make this video, that program is priced at $99. You know, it's a no-brainer. It's priced so that you can take action on it. You'll get into your inbox 30 emails, 1 a day from me, with an action step and a practice and some business and spirituality brought in, because it's designed in a very specific way for you to take action. Tony loved it, and he said it was the affirmation process within the 30-day daily diary that gave his confidence just literally a boost across all aspects of his life.
Another thing actually that was a surprise to me was how much I got out of it in terms of just like overall confidence. Because of the daily affirmations that serve as the topic of the day to talk about, I have developed a stronger mindset, a stronger why in terms of where I see myself going with my channel. And it's just been a huge help all around. So guys, if you're thinking about signing up for the course, don't overthink it, sign up. It's gonna help you out tremendously. It did me. And Stephen, thank you so much for creating this product.
Go and check that out. Okay, Courage Before Confidence is in the description down below. It will help you. You've got me in your pocket as your guide for the next 30 days. Right, so that's step 3. Step 4, stop waiting for it to be perfect. Perfectionism is stopping you. You've all heard the phrases, just press record, start messy, make bad videos. While all of that is good advice, I don't think it's good advice straight away on YouTube. Why? Because there could be some damaging effects. Yes, you could use it to reflect back upon later on in a year's time or 2 years' time. But if you want to make an impact now and you want to create a business now, putting out bad videos, I believe is going to damage you. That's why with the Courage Before Confidence program, you get to practice in private. And then you share your video with me on day 30 and we look at the transformation, we jump on a call and I tell you what your next steps are. And that's completely as a gift on me. So let's just recap what we've got to do. Firstly, your channel name and your logos is your name and your beautiful smiling face. Your ideas are all the questions people come to you with. And if you want, just type in how to, then the question, shove it into YouTube, and it'll tell you how many other things are linked to that. YouTube search is a massive tool for your own market research. Courage Before Confidence. If you can't get on camera and you're stalling, go and get it. Don't hold yourself back. And as a bonus, so that you can get started and make those videos, I want to give you a 3-step video structure method, if you will. And it's very, very simple. And it'll give you a way just to start making videos immediately, because I don't want you to have any more excuses or any other thoughts about, oh my God, but how do I set the video up? It's like this. Step number 1, record your hook. Tell that person who's watching your video what they're going to get straight away. In this video, I'm going to share with you X, Y, and Z. Very simple, very basic, but it will get you going. Next thing is reaffirm that with a question. Then tell a story. Like I've shared in the list, that's the frequently asked questions, and this is the outcome. The story is what people will remember, and that will help your retention and pull people towards you. And at the end, CTA, call to action. What do you want them to do next? Not necessarily buy something. It might be watch this video. It might be like the video, comment below, check out the description, click the link around this video. It could be anything. Book a call. But please give them something to do next, because otherwise they're just watching a video for the sake of watching a video and getting a little piece of information out of it. You're building a brand and a business, so give them a CTA. Hook, story, call to action. That's the process. Get started with it. Don't wait to be perfect, because it's never perfect. This video is not perfect. I've literally just pressed record, shot it. I don't know what it looks like. I know I'm high energy, maybe too much energy, but you know what? It is what it is. And I know it's a dangerous saying to say that, but I just needed to make this video, and it's going in the Vlogtober challenge. So what have you got to do next? Go and check out the description, and then also watch this video right here for the 4 C's of content, because it gives you 4 styles to complement everything you're going to learn in Courage Before Confidence. Take care. Much love. Big Daddy out. Enjoy Vlogtober.